Hi there. A lot of people have contacted me about the video I made about having the pipe on the outside of the water-fed pole instead of through the centre of it. It's just hanging down like this, as you can see. Okay, a lot of people like it on the inside. I can see why. I've tried it, but the reason I don't use it like that is because there's so much dirt goes into the pole, and not only that, I like to just split the pole all the time, and it makes it just that bit easier. And I like to switch the water on and off using the tube as well. Rhino tube is the best one I've ever used to do that with. All you do is you take it in your hand, you grab it like that, kink it, and it stops the water immediately. It's fantastic. It doesn't matter where you do it on the pipe, and that's how it switches the water off. But a lot of people have asked me, they said with the pipe on the outside it's like a health and safety issue. You'll see the pipe hanging down like this from the pole onto the ground, and they'll say it's a trip hazard and all that sort of thing. It gets caught on everything, which it would do if you let it hang down like that. But that's not the idea. What you should do is grab hold of it, okay, when you extend the pole, grab hold of the pipe and hold it to the pole like that, as you can see. Okay, so that gives that effect, okay, of holding it actually to the pole. Plus you can also swing the pipe around the pole, give it a little twist. You get good at it, and it'll spin round the pole like so, okay, when you're working. So don't let it hang loose, because it will get caught on everything. It's untidy and it acts against you as you swing the pole from side to side. Right, when the pipe's hanging loose, it will swing and counteract your movements and makes it harder, and as I say, catch on everything. So there's another little tip to be going on with. So job done.